So you finally decided to start your small business, and now it's time to design your packaging. It enhances the customer experience and overall perceived value of your product. I'll walk you through simple steps to create your brand and design everything you need to get started. With an all-in-one creative platform like Picsart, offering AI design tools and templates, creating high-quality, professional-looking designs and packaging has never been easier. This video is sponsored by Picsart. They offer a variety of tools to design your logo and simplify the process. Stick around until the end, where I'll put everything together and show you some packaging examples. Let's start by creating a logo. Picsart has an AI-powered logo maker that's super easy to use. I'll be using my company name, so I'll type in Dream Studio Co. You can share a little bit about your business, and you can add additional details if you want. In just seconds, different logos are generated for you. If you want to see more options, click Show More Results at the bottom. I chose this design, removed the background, and saved it. Keep this file handy because we'll be using it to design the rest of our packaging. Next, let's search for a business card template. Picsart offers many options, so you can pick one that aligns with your branding. Designing a business card doesn't need to be complicated, especially with a variety of templates available. Add your new logo, change the colors to match your branding, and upload a photo of your product. I added a photo I took of my reed diffusers. You can also include a thank you message, encourage repeat business by providing a discount code for future purchases, or add space for a handwritten note. Don't forget to share your social media handles like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, and you can find all the logos in the sticker or shape section of Picsart. All these same elements can also be used to create your thank you card. Once you're happy with your design, export it, and I printed them using Avery business card sheets. Moving on to the thank you card. Again, there's so many templates to choose from. Select a design that aligns with your brand, add your logo, and adjust the colors. You can add the same elements you used for the business card. A thank you card is generally larger, which gives you more room to get creative, so I'd actually add the elements that we put on the business card here as well. I added a QR code for my YouTube channel. To add it, click on More Tools in the left toolbar. Select QR code and paste in your link. You can also choose different styles, colors, and frames. I realized that this template is actually smaller than the Avery cardstock I have, so I used the resizing feature in the toolbar and adjusted the dimensions. If you use this feature, you'll have to readjust the elements to fit in your new canvas size. I uploaded my design and used Avery's design tool to print. Also, remember to print these borderless, which I forgot to do, so I'll have to cut the edges later. Now let's move on to designing some black and white packaging stickers for my thermal printer. I used a 4x6 canvas and played around with stickers and design elements to create a label for my products. If you want to print these using a thermal printer, it's important to set all design elements to black and white for the best results. Lighter colors may not print clearly, so I recommend sticking with black and white. I also designed one in color to print with my Eco Tank. You can print multiple labels on a single 4x6 thermal sticker sheet, which is the same size as shipping labels. It's easy to cut them out, cost-effective, and a great way to keep expenses low when you're just starting your business. Now let's design some tissue paper. You don't need to do this step, but I like to keep everything aligned and spaced out evenly, so I added a grid and filled it in with the elements I wanted. After you create the rows you want to repeat, select all and copy and paste it to fill your entire sheet. When you're done, delete the grid, select all the elements, then resize the design to fit across the page. You can get creative with the placement. I like to rotate the text and images diagonally. Next, I worked on designing a poly mailer bag, which I ordered from Sticker Mule. For these, I added my actual logo and branding elements because I wanted to use it for my business. I added stickers and placed a bow at the top so it'll look like the package is sealed with a bow once it's folded over. I'll show you at the end of the video how the final product came out. Last but not least, we're going to make 2x2 inch round thermal sticker designs. Again, I used black and white designs to make sure they print clearly. Thermal printers are a great option for small businesses because they save on ink. There are some sticker templates as well, which you can use as is, or edit with your logo and choice of elements. I found these super cute images and created some thank you stickers with them. Now let's bring everything together. Here are the business cards. The edges are perforated, making them easy to cut out. This is the cardstock I used for my thank you cards. Just remember, if you purchase this product, make sure to print borderless. This is how it should look when printing edge to edge. You can also print branded tags on the cardstock. I used the scoring board to create a clean fold, and as an example, this is one of my keychains I made in a previous video. If you run a business that creates handmade items like resin charms or jewelry, you can design really cute packaging like this. Add a bow, and this is the finished look. You can also take the cardstock and use a paper punch to create different shapes. Add some beads and a chain to make these really cute branded tags. These are 4x6 shipping labels, and as I mentioned earlier, if you're looking for a cost-effective way to make stickers, you can print multiple designs on one sheet and cut them out. These 4-inch boxes are perfect for small businesses and can be customized affordably using thermal stickers. I wanted to show you an example of how it all comes together. If you're in the sticker business, you can also use this vellum paper we designed to package your sticker sheets. You can use one of the stickers we printed out or some washi tape to seal it. This is how my poly mailer turned out. I also ordered some sticker tape, and if you're curious about how to design something like this, I created a similar one in a previous tutorial. Once the top is folded over, the design continues seamlessly on the other side. I'm actually really happy with the way these turned out. These are just a few ways you can use Picsart to design packaging for your small business. I personally love creating cute packaging, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below.